space. Thalente Mbatha! Click, bang! That's what he does! At the highest level so far this season, that's what he does! Two-goal cushion. Mbatha buries another of vital importance. He's done it for the national team. He's done it for Paris on the international stage. Once he picked it up at this range, they all thought one thing: have a goal line from the other side of Orlando, off the underside of the ball. Zekman it up, and Mbatha tears the roof off the Orlando Stadium. Nothing he could do about that. Absolutely nothing.